Okay, at indoor with the SH-60 Seahawk. So we flew it outdoors last time, so we were in GPS mode. So this time I'm going to use the sensor underneath, and that mode is engaged with the switch to the left, and you put it to the up position. So we'll try it with that and see how it flies indoors. Does look good with the lights, doesn't it, Fred?
Yeah. I'll tell you what would be good to know, the lights turn off if there's no motion.
If the lights do what?
The lights in the hull turn off if there's no motion, don't they? So that'd be cool.
Maybe we'll try that at the end.
Yeah.
Alright, so I've changed it into high rates now. Nice to start off steady. But actually it's really, really stable. Just looks so good. The scheme and the detail on this are amazing. Into landing. So what we showed in the last video was return to home specifically, which you can do with GPS. But let's try the auto landing button. There you go. Fantastic. So you go SH-60 Seahawk, as stable inside as it is outside, and you've got the modes to support that, and you can go in, well, that was in auto mode, you can go into manual mode for even more control, but the link for this is in the video description and the pinned comments. Look it up for the price. Thanks for watching.